Hey everyone, welcome to ZolaBlocks. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to use and personalize the pricing table block to create unique product pricing in Gutenberg. Let's get started. We're in the Gutenberg editor now. First, type // and then container on the screen. After dropping a container there, select a single column layout and customize the padding values from the extra options. Now click inside the container area and start typing pricing table. Then select the pricing table block by ZolaBlocks. You'll see the default appearance of the block, which includes a service name, price, excerpt, and features. The table also has a badge and action buttons. Under the General section in the Basic tab, you'll find 4 buttons to show or hide the badge ribbon, features, and buttons. There's also an alignment option to align the content of the table. You can also reposition the buttons, either placing them at the bottom or in the middle, it's up to you. You can let the buttons occupy column space or row space, both options are available here. The next section is the ribbon or badge, where you can, let's start by customizing the ribbon text. Then, adjust the position using the horizontal, vertical, and rotate scroll bars. You can also choose to place the ribbon on the left or right side. Next up is the header section, where you can change the table header title tag, and show/hide the description text below the pricing. You can add any length of description as per your need. From the price section, you can modify the price prefix, change the value, add a suffix, and even add a base price. There's also a small text field to add additional period info for the pricing. Moving on to the features section, you can choose to show or hide the feature title, description, and icon. Once you add a feature title and description text, you can feature them one by one. Each feature item has a text box and an icon selection field. You can add as many as you need and rearrange the order. Lastly, there are 2 button sections that can occupy column or row space. You can reposition them at the bottom or in the middle. It's all up to you. Let's head over to the Style tab. The first section is the item container, where you can add a custom border around the table with options for border radius, margin, and padding. You can also set a background color for the pricing table in both normal and hover modes. The next section is the header, where you can adjust the padding of the table header area. Note that this is the area above the features section. In the header content section, you can customize the header title first, and then move on to the feature items. Each feature item has a text box and an icon selection field that you can add as many as you need and rearrange the order. Lastly, there are 2 button sections with a text box and a URL field for further customizations. Typography options allow you to change the font style, size, weight, spacing, and decoration. You can also customize the font color for the title and description text. In the pricing section, start by customizing the typography and then change the text color and size. You can also adjust the size and position of the suffix and prefix. To give your pricing table a more engaging appearance, customize the original pricing number, color, and font style. The next section is the separator, where you can adjust the width, followed by the features section where you can adjust padding settings. All other options are available in the featured content section. You can start by modifying the typography settings, description text color, and font style. Customize the text color and typography of the feature list and adjust the item gap between the list. You can also change the icon color, background, size, and gap. Don't forget to adjust the icon padding. Next, you can adjust the margin for the buttons and customize their appearance individually. The first option is typography, followed by border radius and padding fields. Change the text color and background color of the button. You can also add a border, but let's skip it for now. Head over to the secondary button section. Here, you can make similar changes as the first one. However, let's add some borders to create a different variation. Use a solid border with a black border color, thin border width, then change the text color to black as well. The background should remain white, but for hover, just switch the color of the text and background. After that, in the ribbon section, customize the font style first using the typography options. Then change the text color and ribbon background color from below. Let's use a different background color to differentiate it from the buttons. Now, for the exciting part, let's duplicate the pricing table. From the Container Flex properties, select Row Direction. This will place the two tables side by side. You can duplicate more and change the information on each table to create a complete set of pricing. That's it. Your pricing table is ready to go. Here are some more examples of how you can easily create awesome pricing tables using Zoloblocks. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks for choosing Zoloblocks. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest block tutorials. Stay connected with BD Themes.